I'm going to show you how to make Alabama sauce or white barbecue sauce. Use 2 cups of mayonnaise. Use a name brand mayonnaise, Hellman's or Duke's. And half cup of apple cider vinegar. Or that was that was 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This is a half cup of apple cider vinegar. You're gonna want 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You don't have to use it, but I use half a teaspoon of paprika also, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 1/2 teaspoons of black pepper. And once you have all that, that's all the ingredients for the regular sauce, but I like to add some honey to it. The apple cider vinegar makes it real tangy, so I think that you got to sweeten it up. I usually put about 2 tablespoons of honey in it. I heated this up so it looks a little watered down, but about 2 tablespoons of honey or a little more. You can add mustard. I don't put horseradish in this because I have kids. Put a squirt of mustard. I have kids that don't like spicy stuff, so I leave the horseradish out. Sometimes I'll add it separately and take a little bit of it, a couple tablespoons, put a little hot horseradish in it. You could add sriracha to it, that's good also. But basically, you stir this up real good, refrigerate it overnight, and you could use it as a dipping sauce or a sauce to cook with. I'm going to use it as both. I'm about to make a whole chicken here in a little bit. I'm going to baste it in this. I'm going to get a mixer out. So I just put 2 more tablespoons of honey in it because I've tried it, and I like it a lot sweeter than what most people like it. And it's going to be really tangy if you try it right now. But if you refrigerate it overnight, it gets a little less tangy every day. This sauce will last about 30 days in your refrigerator.